Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export like a portion of your clips on CapCut PC. So for instance, you only want to export like these parts of your video. So just select split here and then select split again and select the part of the video you want to export. Right click, range, select an area by clip. Then just like export and export the video, I guess. Select export. Oops. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!